Hi, this is John at Handsoft. When scaling Agile, some organizations like to use frameworks, including SAFe, Scrum at Scale, Less, and Nexus. All of these, including hybrids, are possible to implement in Favro. Here I'm going to show you just one way that you could implement SAFe in the tool. Starting at the portfolio level, here we can see we have strategic themes, our overriding themes for how we want to drive the business. We have business epic backlog and enabler epic backlog, all being driven by this portfolio Kanban. So we'd start out with business initiatives. Those business initiatives would move through to review, analysis, eventually being broken down into business epics in the portfolio backlog. So say we were to take this move existing business to the cloud, and that could spawn a new business epic, move one of our products, existing products, to the cloud. We'll tag this as a business epic. Say this is our most important initiative, so weighted shortest job first, 5 here. So even though it was created in the portfolio Kanban, we can replicate it in the business epic backlog itself, simply by dragging and dropping it. So now you can see that it exists in both places. By clicking the business epic card, you also have the ability under More to break down this business epic into its own backlog, like so. Here you could break this down into multiple program epics. Say, move product Y database to the cloud. Tag that as a program epic. Also give it a priority. We'll break this down into a couple other program epics. Like so. Now if you click on this backlog breakdown of program epics, you have the ability to add this backlog to another collection. So let's add this to the program level. Once that business epic breakdown into program epics is here at the program level, you have the ability to replicate or move those program epics into the program Kanban. So we'll take this one for example, move product Y database to the cloud. We can move that from funnel to review, review to analysis, and eventually over to the feature backlog column. That program epic can then be broken down into features. Tag it as a feature. Again, prioritize it. And that feature breakdown of that program epic can then be replicated in a feature backlog. That feature backlog has already been added to the team level for the team to pull from. Possibly during the next PI planning for this Agile release train for this program, That feature can then be broken down into stories. Tag that now as a story. Again, prioritize the story. Give it an estimate. And that story, this is a team that's working in Kanban. That story can then be dragged from that feature backlog to the Kanban board for this team. And if you were to click the card itself, you even have the ability to break down a story to its own board. You can see now how you can start at the portfolio level, breaking down to the program level, breaking down to the team level, and you have full traceability via these relationships you see on the card, all the way back up or all the way back down. For more detailed traceability, we also have reports. As you can see, for example, in this portfolio epic report, we've filtered on that portfolio Kanban board, and we've also filtered down to just the tags of business epic and enabler epic. And these reports can also be visualized in a charter graph. Thank you for your time, and once again, this is just one way that you could implement SAFe in Favro.